Welcome to the vibrant city of Philadelphia, where the Fresh Prince Will Smith was born and raised. Nestled in the beating heart of Fishtown, Philadelphia, Frankfort Student Accommodation is not just a place to stay, it's a lifestyle. Step into modern living with all-inclusive co-living suites and private studio apartments that blend comfort and productivity seamlessly. Indulge in meticulously crafted spaces featuring a snug bed, spacious wardrobe, dedicated study corner, and a bedside lamp tailored for late-night study sessions. At Frankfort, your home doesn't end at your apartment door. Work from home in the building's library, and when you're feeling sociable, the community lounge is your haven for group hangouts and Sunday brunch extravaganzas. Soak in the weekend sun at the two outdoor spaces strategically placed in the lobby and upper deck. Laundry, sorted. And yes, all utility bills are on the house. Step outside your apartment building and you will find neighborhood's best restaurants, bars, and everyday necessities right outside your door. Plus, the prestigious Temple University and University of Pennsylvania are just a short drive away. Need to get the city? Ames Street and Cayuga Street bus stops are practically waving at you. Relish the irresistible charm of Philadelphia at Frankfort Student Accommodation. Secure your new home via amberstudent.com today.